All right, the other part of our Dr. Jekyll's Lab lunch show is to talk about fluids. These two cups here just have some blue water in it. Ask the scouts what they know about fluids. What makes a liquid a liquid? They should say that it flows and that it doesn't keep its shape, or it only keeps the shape of the container it's in. Then go ahead and pour and show them that if you stop pouring, the water stops. That's how most liquids work, is you actually have to pour it. But in our other cup, we have a polymer solution. Now, a polymer is a long string chain, and it will hold together a little bit. So while this is still a fluid, I no longer have to pour it. It pours itself. I can put it at different heights, and the string doesn't break. So each of these strings, all of this fluid, is in a polymer solution, kind of like their snot and some of the other polymers that we worked with, the phloem. But this one is a more liquid solution. But again, it does not break its string, and it will actually pour itself. And you can do this a couple times. You'll have a clear glass container to hold these in, or a beaker to hold this goo in, so they'll be able to see how it works. But notice I no longer have to hold my cup at a pouring solution. It is actually doing it all by itself. The polymer is strong enough that it is pulling the liquid from the first cup to the second cup. I can bring it down. Looks like here comes another big goo, until it pulls itself all the way down. So in your kit, you will have a bag that says Gravity Goo Powder on it. And you are going to mix that gravity goo with 16 ounces of water, which is the size of one of these styrofoam cups. It needs to sit for a half an hour before the lunch show, so whoever your Dr. Jekyll is going to be that day, make sure that they have let their solution sit for 30 minutes before the lunch show. You can make it any color that you want. I chose blue because we haven't used blue much in the day. We've used a lot of red and a lot of green and yellow. So I chose blue for this so that they can see it. It will come, it's clear, and that's harder for the audience to see. I put about 10 drops of blue food coloring into the solution as I mixed it up. Your kit will contain full instructions on how to mix the gravity goo. And again, after 30 minutes, notice that I am not even tilting the cup very much. As soon as the gravity goo starts to go, it actually pulls the rest of the polymer with it. And again, at the end of the show, you can go ahead and let the scouts give it a try as well, for those that have a little extra time. Don't let them touch it though, or if they do, make sure they go and wash their hands. This is really a demonstration goo versus one of their other goos that they've been playing with all day.